Most people don't realize this about liquidity fragmentation in 2026, and it's the reason they're losing out. But in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Right now, billions are trapped in isolated silos across dozens of networks. It's a liquidity crisis that's been holding back the true potential of DeFi. We're dismantling those silos today. If you're new here, welcome to DavitoFinance, where we help you understand how to make money in crypto, DeFi, and Forex trading. By the end of this year, liquidity won't be fragmented, it will be fluid. We're looking at 5 protocols that are changing the game. First up is the Polygon AG layer. This isn't just another bridge, it's a unified liquidity layer that connects every chain in its ecosystem. It prioritizes cross-chain atomicity, meaning your transactions happen instantly across chains without the usual slippage or latency. By unifying these pools, AG layer eliminates the walled garden problem that plagued earlier L2s. Now here's where it gets interesting. Next, we have the Optimism superchain. This is all about shared sequencing and standardized interoperability. When chains share a sequencer, liquidity can flow between them as if they were a single network. No more waiting hours for withdrawals. This superior cryptographic interoperability means your capital works harder for you across the entire OP stack. Most people miss this. Third is zk-Sync's Elastic Chain. This protocol uses zero-knowledge proofs to create a network of zk chains that act like one. It's called elastic for a reason. It scales based on demand while keeping liquidity unified through a shared bridge. This level of capital efficiency finally solves the fragmentation crisis we've dealt with for years. But this next part is the most important. If you're finding this helpful, take a second to like this video and subscribe to this channel. It really helps the channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. Comment below and let me know your thoughts or questions. I personally read and respond to comments. I want to hear your take on these protocols. Fourth on our list is Arbitrum Orbit. This allows for custom layer 3 chains that can settle directly on Arbitrum. By using Stylus, developers can write smart contracts in any language, and through Orbit, they tap into Arbitrum's massive liquidity. It's about building specific scaling solutions that don't isolate themselves from the rest of the ecosystem. It's a huge shift. Finally, we have the Omni network. This is the glue that binds all rollups together into a single fluid ecosystem. Omni acts as a communication hub, allowing liquidity to move across different rollup stacks like Optimism, Arbitrum, and Polygon instantly. We are finally seeing the end of isolated pools. In 2026, liquidity is just liquidity, no matter where it lives. Here's the high-value insight. The protocols that win won't be the ones with the most TVL, but the ones with the best interoperability. Connectivity is the new gold. When you can move capital instantly without friction, the entire crypto economy moves faster. This is where the real money will be made. I've included helpful resources in the description below that will help you master these L2 protocols. Make sure you check it out. So, remember, AG layer for unity, superchain for sync, elastic for scale, orbit for customization, and Omni for communication. The crisis of liquidity fragmentation is over. The tools are here. The question is, are you ready to use them? Action is what separates winners from everyone else. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share it with someone who would benefit, and subscribe to DavitoFinance for more videos like this. And turn on notifications so you never miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.